I'm absolutely delighted now to be joined by Adrienne Minerick. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for taking time to talk to us today.
It's my pleasure.
Now, we're talking about diversity. I know you head up the diversity committee here at ASEE. Let's start right at the top. Why is diversity important to ASEE?
Diversity is extremely important because it's the broad idea of a variety of ideas and creativity and experiences that all feed into very unique problem solving. Having a diverse team, having people that have a variety of different perspectives means that the end solution is much more impactful and tied to society than it would be otherwise.
I know you've got this year of action coming up, and so tell us a little bit about the year of action and how it's meant to achieve some of the goals that you've been talking about.
The idea behind the year of action is to provide tangible skills for every single member of ASEE to improve the climate and create this ultra inclusive environment so that we can achieve that creativity and that extra problem solving. There are concerns that the United States is not producing enough engineers, and globally we're not producing enough to be able to solve all the problems within society. And so being able to make sure that every single person that's within our realm of engineering feels appreciated and inclusive is extremely important. It means that they're going to be more productive, they're going to work to their highest potential, and we'll be able to achieve all of our goals in doing that.
It's an interesting proposition, isn't it? Because obviously, as you say, it's important to bring everybody in, and it's not just the benefit of that level of diversity. It's also to the benefit of everybody, isn't it? It's the benefits of all of us to have that diversity.
It is, absolutely. And it can be an intimidating venture to get into if I think of myself as, say, a white male, right? And I realize how critically important it is to work with and draw people towards me that have had a very different experience from myself. That's a challenging thing to do because I'm familiar with my own set of experiences. And being unfamiliar with another set is actually an opportunity for learning and bringing that in. And so that's what we want to do in the year of action, is provide tangible ways where people can educate themselves, know how to approach these different tasks that are there. And we want to tailor it for student members, professional members, faculty, administrators, everybody. So the target audience is there. They've got the skills to be able to jump on and help us really move this forward.
Because it is so important, isn't it? Because you're talking about creativity and innovation, know, and like it or not, a lot of us, face the risk of becoming obsolete if we don't kind of keep up to date and keep reinventing our skills, and therefore we need all the help we can get, right? I mean, we need to be able to bring in a widest possible pool, otherwise we're not going to solve these problems.
It's not just new, right? It's the traditional, it's the perspective of lessons learned from the past. It's everybody in with it. And if we don't keep the knowledge we've already gained as well as embrace this new knowledge for new demographics in there, we become weaker. We put money into solutions that have no way of succeeding if we don't, from the start, really engineer them to include everything.
Program to look forward to, but just before I let you go, talking about looking forward to things, this is obviously a great conference. What are you looking forward to this year?
This conference has been particularly exciting. It feels like diversity in general, we've gained an awful lot of momentum. We've had an emphasis this year on LGBTQI efforts and education safe zone training that's there. We've also done an awful lot with the Women in Engineering Division for advocacy tips. These are short tips that men can use to advocate for their female counterparts at all levels in with it. And this year of action has really played a huge role. So in terms of education and visibility, it's been a great year.
Well, thank you ever so much for talking to us. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much.